What's up again? We're back. We're gonna try something a little different today, something I'm not very good at or have no idea what I'm doing. I'm gonna try to hang a shelf on this wall here. I got all of this random junk. I bought this so we can find the studs. We're gonna hang some stuff, we're gonna measure some stuff, and we're gonna see what happens. All right, never used a stud finder before, but I guess I'm gonna try it. Said something about hold the button and it'll tell you where the studs are. So let's get our level out. We'll go from each side here, from stud to stud. So that's how thick that stud is. It's a 1-inch stud. I don't know how this works. Let me make sure the stud's down here too, because this makes no sense. Apparently it is. All right. So now we got to figure out where to hang these shelves. Maybe one here, one here. So if we do 15 on, do a shelf here, and the other shelf there. Is that going to be enough room in between? Maybe one shelf here. Let's see what that looks like. Move you guys for a second because I need this shelf so I can see what it looks like. I don't know if that's crooked or not, but we'll see. So if we go, where did I put that mark at? Oh my goodness. Right here. About right there. That should be good, and I'll put the other one up here. Yeah, that should work. We'll go with that. How's it looking? Is it looking good? I know it probably looks weird, but let's keep it moving. Get my stuff here. I need to do, we said we're doing 15, so we'll go down 15. Actually, we'll go down a little bit more than 15 because the shelf itself. So we'll go 16 inches on this side, 16 inches on this side, and then we'll shoot our line across here. Alright, I was always told you want to drill a pilot hole first, so let's start with pilot holes. Okay, looks like everything is all set. Let me grab a set of screwdrivers. Let's get this guy up here, make sure these holes line up, and they do perfectly. We'll get this guy started. Going in nicely. Get this guy in. Hopefully the drill double check the level. Where did I put the level? That's good. That's good. And that's good. We are wonderful on that one. I'm excited. Let's get the other 3 over here now that I know I did this one good. Oh yeah. You can put a little bit of weight on that. Well, I should throw this shelf up here. See how this looks. On center, right there. You guys are on the other shelf, so we'll move it. Peel the label off of here. Hopefully these are far enough apart. I'm hoping they are. And there we go. I think that came out pretty nice. Not bad. This is for my wife's stuff here. She likes The Little Mermaid, so for Christmas and birthdays and stuff, and while I was deployed, I got her a whole bunch of Little Mermaid stuff. All right. And there it is, in all of its glory. I'm sure she has more than that, but this is everything I could find right now. I think she'll be happy with it. I think it looks cool. Now she just has to clean up her dresser underneath, take the kids' clothes off, and do whatever she wants with it. But I think that's a nice little setup. Everything's pretty nicely centered. Everything looks pretty good. It's supporting all the weight fine. I put a little extra weight on it, pushing down on it, and it feels awesome. So I think that's going to do it for this video. I appreciate you guys watching. If you did watch, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I don't know if there'll be much more of this. I'm thinking of actually, before I go, this area right here, while I'm doing it, I might as well just transform this whole section, and I'll do that with YouTube magic. So, and there we go. Looks a million times better. So that's going to do it. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching. And until next time, I will see you later. Goodbye.